to Utah Motorsports campus this morning. I'm in the R34, and Mark's in front of me with the Fox Body Highway Patrol car and Jeff, my yellow R32. We got Uncle Mark just rigging right now. Look at this whole trailer unit we got here. Heck yeah, dudes. Well, I will see you there. Oh, also, I look like crap because I got such bad allergies. And I didn't want to take any like strong allergy medication because it would put me to sleep. But man, I probably look super old right now because of my freaking eyes. Made it down here to Import Spring Showoff. All the cars are starting to get in. I think the boys have already done the tech inspection. I got one of my cars parked right out in front, and the other one, it wasn't supposed to be at any booths or anything like that, but I just found my homie who's got a booth here, and it's like, yo, you want my car here? He's like, absolutely. So just dropped my car off, and now I'm heading back to the drift area. Super stoked. Okay. So we got Jerry's car, Sheldon's car, and I just like roll up and Mark's talking shop.
Hey!
This is Jerry, everybody.
Howdy, everybody.
We need Jerry on the channel all the time.
I just said to Jerry, I was like, will you please send a link to wherever you got this trailer to my brother? Top secret. I'm hiding the sauce.
The secret?
I'm hiding the sauce.
Dude, I don't know, but I want the truck too.
Hey, everybody. Whoa. This is Rambecca.
Dude,
Rambecca is the queen.
Dude, I dated Rambecca in high school.
That's a new bad unit. That's a new bad unit too. That's a new bad unit. Not a new truck. We just did the long bed conversion.
So,
There's my truck, just did the long bed.
Are you that concerned about the weather?
Dude, all the data for the race, okay? This is why I am going to be the winner, all right?
It's true. It's true.
Son.
It's true.
Barometric pressure.
All of it?
He's gonna. I'm a dragon racer. Okay? Dragon racer. I'm a real fight.
That's so awesome. All my friends pulled up. And Jess. My buddy Kevin's 4-door. Needs a turbo, but it's still pretty cool. WRX, constantly winning best in show. Super cool. All the drift boys.
They're pretty cool.
What was up with that car? Did you notice the car behind you?
He was chasing me.
Wasn't drifting.
I know, he's a video car.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's up with this dude?
He asked if he could chase me, and I was like, let's go.
Yeah, dude.
Go.
I was so confused. I was like, why is this dude like on Mark's butt?
Yeah, he's gonna send us a bunch of videos.
Heck yeah. Did you go yet? How'd it go? Oh, I saw, my bad, yeah.
When are you gonna go out there?
Not. There's too many cars for me to come out here on my first time.
There's a lot of people.
So many.
Mark just hit it.
Mark did? Of course he did.
Whatever it is.
I think it's a camera for sure. Hadlock just smashed the barricade.
Yeah. Who did?
Hadlock did. The guy chasing Mark. His bumper's hanging on, but I do alive right now. Oh.
Up! Up!
Yeah. Still running really good?
Yes. Running great. Running real good. Yeah. Hey. We're gonna go for a rip. Alright. See that? Glad you came. Yeah.
Are you going on track right now? Okay. All right. So I'm in line for my first race. I'm racing against the 800 horsepower Camaro. I'm really excited. I'm stoked. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited to just get this going. See you there.
There it goes. You got this,
So I just raced and lost, but I had to turn my car off because it was getting hot, and I forgot to turn the boost back up. So I raced that guy on 12 PSI. Good job, Brad. The one for all the marbles. Me against Jerry. I'm running map 3 because map 4 is breaking up. I've never ran it in this heat, so I think the heat's kind of a problem. Hopefully somebody's filming.
Jerry got him.
Oh no! He.
All right, so I went 1 and 4 with races today. I lost to a Camaro, I lost to a Supra, I beat a Cadillac SUV, and then got beat by Jerry.
What?
Jerry beat me. I was on map 3. I'm not gonna make excuses.
That sounds like an excuse.
First time racing it, you know, like it's what it is.
I bet it was gonna be close.
It was a good race.
Was it?
It was a really good race.
What'd you guys roll on?
Like 45. Yeah. I broke up really bad, like right out of the gate.
Did you?
Yeah, I've never ran it hot. Like every time I've ever tuned it, it's been like February. So I wanted my tuner to be here today, but my tuner got a girlfriend.
That's really good for Brandon.
Yeah, right? Yeah. But also, come on, bro. I know. So anyways, no excuses. I got beat, but it was a really, really, really good time. I'm gonna go talk to Jerry, tell me cheated and stuff. You cheated! You cheated! You cheated!
Why did I cheat? Why?
Because you won!
It ain't cheating if you're winning,
It's
okay?
true, it's true. No, it was just awesome. That was fun.
That was
That
such
was
a
so
good
much
time.
fun. Like, it's my first time racing the car in the heat. We had problems, but
That was the first time I had driven straight in the car. There's only been slip ankle in that car. But we did it.
yeah, dude.
Good race.
We're gonna do it again.
Yeah,
We're gonna do it again. Anyways,
Go
hey,
home.
go follow Jerry. He's the man, dude.
Keep following him.
Yeah.
He's the man.
Thank you, thank you.
Turn some lights
Yo,
on. Let me turn some
this
lights on.
is our homie here. He's got an awesome YouTube channel, and we're just waiting for it to blow up. That's why we're so nice to him. It's gonna be huge one day. Will you shout yourself out?
Follow me at 540 Autosports. That's 540 Autosports with an S.
Follow him. I promise you. They're gonna be at everything that you want to be at on the West Coast. You even go to random cars and coffees in like SoCal.
Yep, exactly. Like,
You saw Fresh Kicks car down there once.
Yep.
So anyways, we had an awesome day. I won 1 out of 4 races, which was kind of a bummer, but it's my first time racing Jeff in the summer, and it's a completely different deal. But my car didn't run perfect. Somebody else's did.
Fox body shred.
Tell me about your day.
Yo, I don't know how many, I've lost track of how many laps I've done, but it's been unbelievable.
How many laps did you do with it?
He's done a bunch.
I lost count.
A lot,
He's
a
done
lot.
Yeah, I did a ride-along for Salt City Drift. I've done ride-alongs with everybody. I've drove with Jordan Manoa, like with our dad in the car.
Yeah.
Dude, Dad was in the truck. Jordan is like on my door, and Dad's like, "He's on us! He's on us!"
I wish we had a camera inside.
I
just to
think
hear
it
the
was
commentary.
filming. I think it was
hope
filming.
was. If this
So-
is not news to you, if we were filming.
Yes.
But
So,
anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. This is we're gonna do a whole lot more of this kind of stuff coming up, and we're gonna make sure this kid comes with us because I think high tide raises all ships. So we'd love to bring him with us, and we'd love him to bring us with him if he blows up. So see you guys in the next one.